I'm a great supporter of transcendental meditation. I've been using it for almost 40 years now. And I think it is a great tool for anyone to have and to be able to utilize as a tool for stress. And stress, of course, comes with almost every business, but especially considering the stress that our men and women of the armed forces would go through, the anxieties of going either in or coming from combat, and stress syndromes of various types. I think it's a great tool. I think there's enough studies out there that show that transcendental meditation, or TM as we all call it, is something that can benefit everybody. And I congratulate you and everyone there tonight. It's a great system to use, and life in general. Otherwise, why would I have been doing it all these years? Almost half of my life, I've just calculated. So have a good evening. I'm sorry I'm not there. Bye-bye.